Changing the wing mirror on this Mark 7 Transit. So what we need to do is just, there we go, get this unplugged, just depress these two either side and pull on the light. It should come out. Oh, don't lose that. That rubber bit is the seal, to make sure you push that back on. That's what keeps moisture out, so don't lose that. Very good. Now we just need to pop these out. There's 1, 2 stuck, 3, there we go. And in here we've got some bolts, 1, 2, and then 3, all 8 mils. Holding on to down there, just a little clip. There we go, just that little clip down there. Nice. Now just a plug. Plug this, hold the wing mirror away from the bodywork so you scratch the paint, and then just push the clip in. There you go, so you just push the clip in and pull back, and it comes undone. So you can see that bolt there started, that bolt there started, that bolt there is started as well, and we're clipped in down there. Now just tighten it all up. And then with these plugs, see they fall inside every time you touch them, so I just like to grab them with a pair of pliers because I can't fit my fingers in there. If you give it a little pull, should pull through a little bit of slack for you so that you can plug that back in. Put your clips back in like that. Pushes to the back. And that's it. Now what we need to do is just put these caps in. So now that we've got everything bolted up, just want to test that it's working because it's an electric one, which is what the plug is for. So we just want to make sure, yeah, there we go, because we want to be able to see out of the mirror. Perfect. Happy days. So it's a very simple DIY. Hopefully this video helped. If you run into any problems that I didn't cover in this video, then leave a comment. Maybe you'll be able to help somebody else out. And if you give it a go, all the best.